How to get a discount code for PlayStation Store. To get started, go to google.com. In the search bar, type in PlayStation Store codes. The search results will bring you a bunch of websites that give and sell PlayStation Store discount codes. For this video, I will use couponfollow.com to get free discount codes. This website offers different codes for different types of discounts and promos. Some discounts apply to specific games only, while some are site-wide. In this instance, I will choose this one. Click Show Coupon Code and it will open a new tab with a floating window containing your code. Hit Copy and log into your PlayStation Store account. Make sure to paste the code when you make your purchase. Most of the discount codes work. However, in case the code that you chose didn't work, feel free to try the other ones.